What is the value of the expression 9 minus 8 times 2 to the power of 2 plus 8 divided by 2? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? This expression is actually very easy, but it tricks almost everyone. Let's dive in and break it down step by step together. Many people, when solving this question, start with 9 minus 8 and write this expression as 1 multiplied by 2 squared plus 8 divided by 2. Then they move on to 2 to the power of 2, which I have highlighted in yellow, and replace this expression with 1 times 4 plus 8 divided by 2. And the next step, they usually go for the multiplication between 1 and 4 and replace this expression with 4 plus 8 divided by 2. Then they add 4 and 8 and write this expression as 12 divided by 2, which finally gives them the answer 6. And without any hesitation, they quickly say that option D is the correct answer to this question. However, it's not the correct answer to this question. Now let me show you how to solve this expression properly. To solve this question, we need to follow the PEMDAS rule. And this rule, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. We have to follow the order of operations I told you, step by step from top to bottom. Alright, first we start with 2 squared, because in this expression, exponent has a higher priority than the other operations. So, instead of the original expression, we can write 9 minus 8 times 4 plus 8 divided by 2. And the next step, we need to go for multiplication and division, since they have a higher priority than addition and subtraction. However, it's very important to note that multiplication and division have the same level of priority. And all we need to do here is to move from left to right through the expression, performing the multiplication and division as we go. So, first we start with 8 times 4 and write this expression as 9 minus 32 plus 8 divided by 2. And the next step, we move on to the division between 8 and 2 and replace this expression with 9 minus 32 plus 4. Once again, we should remember that addition and subtraction also have the same level of priority. And the best thing to do here is to move from left to right through the expression and perform them in order. So, first we do the subtraction between 9 and 32, which simplifies this expression to negative 23 plus 4. And finally, the value of this expression is equal to negative 19. Therefore, option A is the correct answer to this question.